Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disable or deactivate the starter programs so that once you will start your computer, it will take less time to come up. That means it will reduce the boot time. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, open up the run box, go to the the start menu, type run, and it will give you option here. You can see run desktop app. Open this box and in the run box type in there MSConfig and click on OK. It will give you a pop-up of system configuration. Once you will type that MSConfig in the run box, you can see system configuration, and in system configuration you can see several options here: general, boot, services, startup. So go to the startup menu and you can see to manage startup items, you can open this task manager. Okay, and it will give you the list of all the startup programs. You can see Windows Defender, Realtek, HD Video Manager, AnyDesk, uTorrent, Google Chrome. So I have disabled almost all unnecessary programs. You can see here status enabled, enabled, disabled, 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 disabled. So I have disabled almost all, you can see, unnecessary programs which I don't wanted to open at the start time of the computer. So if you want to disable in your computer as well, select any program, and at the right bottom side you can see the option disable. So once you will click on this disable, you can see the status is changed now of the Windows Defender. It's disabled now. And if you want to enable it again select the specific program and click on enable option at the right bottom side. It will be enabled again. You can see here. So this is the first way you can open up the startup programs, and you can just enable or disable any particularly program. The second way to open any to open the startup programs is to press the control button, shift button, and escape button simultaneously. Once you will press these three keys together, you will get the the task manager, and you will find all the options. You can see process, performance, app history, and startup. Again, once you will click on this startup option, you will find the same menus where you can disable or enable any particular program. So make sure the keys you have to press simultaneously are control, shift, and escape. You have to press these three keys together to open this task manager. So either you can directly open the task manager, or you can also open it from the system configuration. Both ways will work fine. Thank you so much for watching the video, and for more videos please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much.